Our first lift for today is the lift at the Avenue Road Shopping Centre in Bournemouth.
Oh yeah, we haven't been on this since it was modded.
Yeah. Ground floor. Old Otis. It was modernised by Paragon lifts. Got to 1. That's the Piccadilly line, boys.
Wow. Was it really?
Capacity 16 persons, 1,250 kilos.
Chime.
Lift going up. Room opening.
Piccadilly line.
That's amazing. I wonder what's up here now.
It's
Oh look, it's a cafe. It used to be Sports Direct. I know what's that? Stay and Play Cafe.
yeah, this is key.
Nice. It said lift going up. It doesn't normally go up.
What is that? What is this thing? What is that thing? G has buttons. Go back down to G. Lift going down.
Ground floor. Lift going down.
Oh, sorry, 18 persons.
Doors opening.
I've read the Otis sign. It's actually 18.
I'm so glad this is still going. Original cab. Let's get a cab view.
Oh yeah, cab view. Even though this is boring, this is a nice
Yes, they
classic
modded
lift.
the cool button, but we've still got the indicator up the top, so that's good.
Isolation key. Here's the old Otis display. And
There's-
that's it.
That's it.
Should we go up to 1 or 2?
Let's go to 2.
2. Capacity 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Built in 2010.
Yeah, it's a big lift.
Monospace indicator. You're at 2. Look at the mirror. Did you see? Hey now.
Hey now. Oh, there's the brake.
I didn't hear that. I was paying attention to the lift. Ooh,
Right, should we
look at
go back down?
Go back down to G.
Yeah, let's do a full journey again. Yeah. Brake release. There's no down arrow on this.
Oh, there's
first floor.
We're going down to 1.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, someone's called it.
I think there's only one door in this left.
Right, there's the panel. Right, here's the lift at River Island in Bournemouth Square.
Lift at River Island in Bournemouth Square. Ooh, this is an interesting lift.
High-tech lifts. We're going up to 1.
Yep, go up to 1.
High-tech lift systems.
Closing. 630 kilos, 8 persons. High-tech lift services. Yeah, 1.
Mhm.
Go back down to the star floor, which is 0.
Yeah.
Going down.
Cab view here. Floor.
It's a small cab, isn't it, this?
Mirror.
Hey now. Woo!
That's it.
Opening.
Here's the cab view. And that's it.
Yes, is that Zara and Bournemouth Square? ThyssenKrupp.
ThyssenKrupp.
Ooh, look at this.
Yeah. Yep, there's the down escalator.
Go back down. Zara.
Yeah, this is very tall. ThyssenKrupp. That's it.
Bournemouth Square.
Yeah.
Mezzanine. Big jolt there.
Mm.
It is. 0, 1. So 1 is.
Yeah, I think 2 is a staff only floor.
Capacity 30 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2005. I can't tell if this used to be the Ecodisc thing. What button is it? Is it
0, yeah. G is going to be the staff one. There you go.
Yeah, I'm going down to 0, not G. It's the mezzanine floor. I think that's the G floor.
Mhm.
Staff only floor.
Sort of hits the rollers a bit there, doesn't it?
Hmm.
Does a double brake as well.
And
Nice.
that's it.
Let's get a cam view quickly. And that's it.
That's Zara in Bournemouth Square.
It's Zara. 2's the staff only floor.
As I said earlier, it's a crown lift. Capacity 30 persons, 1,000 kilos. Ooh, look at this lift. Nice motor.
Very nice.
And we'll go back down to G. Here we are back at ground.
Slow levelling at ground.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. That's it.
And cab view. And that will be it.
That A button is a alarm button. So
Please mind the door.
6.
Doors closing.
Leicester voice.
Going up.
30 persons, 1,000 kilos. Vibration.
Floor 6.
You're at 6.
Doors opening.
Nice brake.
Top floor. Go back down to
Please
2.
mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Going down.
Yeah, these are Leicester lifts, aren't they?
Yeah.
Floor 2.
Floor 2.
Doors opening.
And that's it.
Here's the cab view.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Lifts these were maintained by.
Going up.
Go up to 6.
Mm-hmm.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
These lifts have got floors G and 1 on.
Going up.
Lift number 3. 8 persons, 630 kilos. I remember from another lift enthusiast that this used to be a DNA lift.
Floor 6.
Oh, really?
Doors opening.
Floor 6 on the
And
other
we'll
side.
go down to
Please
ground.
mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Interesting colour LEDs.
Hmm. One.
Mm-hmm.
Ground floor.
And then G.
Doors opening.
Now go back up to 2.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Short journey to 2.
Going up.
Going up. G. 1.
Floor 2.
Floor 2.
Doors opening.
And that's it.
Cool. Here's a cab view.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This is the glass over lift.
Brian, I got my radio evening. Sorry, there's only 2 of us right now.
At Bournemouth Square. We got to 1. G.
Glass lift.
600 kilos, 8 persons.
Going up.
2000.
Nova lift.
I think this was built in 2017.
Yeah, this was when the shop was fitted, I think. These doors over here.
Floor.
First floor. These doors. Where are these stairs going up to?
Door.
Go back down to G.
Door closing.
Glass cab view here. For your Bournemouth Square.
Going down.
Deichmann.
0.
0. It says G on the display.
Door.
I know.
Ground
That's funny.
floor. These doors. And that's it.
And that will be it.
That boots in Bournemouth.
Still got the classic call button.
Leicester voice. Got to 1.
Doors closing.
9 persons, 750 kilos.
Look at this absolute classic.
Floor 1.
Floor 1.
Nice motor.
Doors opening.
Going up. Going down. Doors closing.
There we go.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
That's it.
Going up.
We'll fill up. Oh, sorry. Clarkson Bournemouth lift.
Here's the chime. Up to 1.
This is the lift at Clarkson Bournemouth. Got to 1. Different kind of buttons.
Elevator is going up.
Listen to that voice.
10 persons, 800 kilos.
Look in the mirror who you see. Hey now. Oh, these doors.
These doors. Ooh, cool.
Listen to that door motor.
Going back down to 0.
Closing.
They sound like DC motors.
Elevator is going down.
Elevator is going down.
Floor 0. Door opening.
And that's it.
Here's a cab view. And that's it. Oh, it came down for us.
This is the lift at Bobby's in Bournemouth Square. Floor 4's locked.
Oh, 3's good.
Oh, we go to 3. 3 Road Gosney. Private office space. Oh dear.
Oh.
I didn't know what floor to go on.
Well, that's all right.
Door
we'll go down.
Go down to basement.
Is it there?
10 persons, 750 kilos, built in 2010.
Mm.
Basement. And we'll go back up to ground.
Look at that, when you press door close, it lights 4 up. But
Hey, that's
4's locked
pretty
off.
cool. 4's locked off. Here we're back at ground. And that's it.
Nice eco. Well, I think it's actually a mod. It's a Kone mod. Here's the cab view. And that's it.
This is
Ooh,
the Doppler lift at Bobby's in Bournemouth Square.
it says it's going down. Oh. Oh, here we go, yeah. Whoa.
Wow, this is cool.
Should we take it to 3?
I'm not sure what floor to press.
2?
Doors closing.
Oh,
1. 30 persons, 1,000 kilos. Ooh, I haven't actually seen this lift before.
yeah.
This is actually quite cool.
This is really cool.
Doors closing.
Got a small handrail up here.
This is quite efficient. It was installed last year.
I couldn't actually see the year.
It says 2024 in it.
Oh yeah.
Here's a cab view.
Up.
This was well nice. Cab view, boys. Boom.
And that's it.
I like this one. And the lamp, well, sort of LED lamp style thing. And that. The even lift is turned off at Bournemouth International Centre BIC car park.
That's not good because
Oh, it wasn't working last time either.
I think the old lifts work.
Let's
Oh,
try.
These are the BIC lifts at Bournemouth Square.
Oh, it's the left lift.
Go up to 11.
Yep.
Doors closing.
It's a LES lift, I think it is. Capacity 30 persons, 1,000 kilos, built in 2022.
Yeah, LES.
Lift and Engineering Services Limited. Actually quite cool for a generic.
This is really nice.
11th floor.
11th floor.
Doors opening.
Hey, look, there's a 12th floor.
Yeah, I recognise that. And we'll go back down to 1.
Doors closing.
These have been fully modded since we filmed them last.
Yeah.
Like new panel, new cab, display.
Security camera up there. Here at 1.
First floor. Doors opening.
And that's it.
Oh, these are really nice. I like these a lot more. And here's the cab view.
Doors closing.
That's it.
This is the lift at Waterstones in Bournemouth Square. You can go up to 1. It's like a platform lift, this is. Vimec.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, it's literally a doored platform lift.
350 kilos.
Looks like an Italian
And I
lift.
reckon like 4 persons or something. Built in 2018. It used to be... I don't know what lift it used to be, but it used to be like a sort of Evans type of lift, like Express. We got 1.
This is the cafe.
Yeah, the cafe. There it is. Gonna go down to -1. I always wondered what MN meant. It's the mirror.
Hey now. Wait, where are we? Hey now.
Hey now. Going past ground.
Yep. At least it didn't stop.
Here at -1. Looks like a type of Otis Gen 2 indicator.
Other books.
Ooh. Books. I'm going to go back up to 0. I reckon 2's the staff only floor.
Yeah.
Have to motor again. Here we're back at 0. And that's it.
It's the lift.
At Cosy Club in Bournemouth Square. Old Leicester buttons here.
Oh, these are the buttons that they had at the BIC.
Yeah. Go up to 3.
Yep.
Doors closing.
Another Leicester voice.
Way good Otis door track.
Oh yeah, way good Otis. 6 persons, 450 kilos. Cool looking pattern up here. Hey now.
3.
Floor 3.
Doors open.
There we go.
Going down.
This looks cool.
Yeah, this does look cool.
Is anyone ever sitting here?
Not right now.
We'll go back down to 0.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. Going down. Ding ding. Ground floor.
Ground floor.
How did you know?
Doors open. Going
And that's it.
That's it. Just get one more look at the door track, because that's so classic. There's the cab. Bye.
At Bournemouth Square. This is the up button, but
The arrow's not there. Oh, there we are.
there it is. Go up to 1. See the indicator here.
Look in the mirror. Hey now.
How long's it been?
I remember this was loose before.
Yeah. A lot of
Door
people
motor.
fill this lift. Capacity 30 kilos.
Look at that Kone Marryat-Scott.
Listen to the motor.
Very quick. Very quick. And then here's the button that lights up with the bulb. With the M series bulb.
And then we'll go back down to ground mezzanine.
Yep.
The one's green.
Yeah, I love this. Let's see how bumpy it is. It's a little bit bumpy still.
Mezzanine floor.
Oh, there's the voice. So nice.
Here's the lift. GM. The ground mezzanine.
And that will be it. Right, these are the Richmond Gardens lifts.
These are the Kone lifts at Richmond Gardens car park in Bournemouth.
Go to 5. 2001.
These lifts are actually made in 1996.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, the 2001 is unfortunately closed for maintenance.
I love this indicator.
Oh. Let's go to level 1.
Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Stop.
That was funny. They wanted to go down.
Anyways, 5. Yeah, 5.
Nice.
Number 5. Cut that to ground shopping. I think this is going to go down to 1 again because that family was there.
They might do.
Oh,
we missed.
no.
Wee.
Ground floor shopping. That's what the 2001 lift you would have done.
And here's the cab. And that's